Mikey Lifestyle. Yokoso Mikey Lifestyle desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. At our lesson for today is learn to introduce yourself in Japanese. Learn to introduce yourself in Japanese or in Nihongo. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hajimemashite. 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 Nice to meet you. I am Mikey. Watashi wa Mikey desu. Watashi wa Mikey desu. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Mikey desu. Watashi wa Mikey desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. It means, nice to meet you. I am Mikey. It's a pleasure to meet you. The secret tips is, ang ating secret tips is, pwede nating palitan yung watashi wa Mikey desu. Very formal. It's very formal. Ang ating secret tips is, instead of watashi wa Mikey desu, is, I'm Mikey. Nice to meet you. I'm Mikey. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. It's a pleasure to meet you. Mikey desu. I'm Mikey. Mas very formal kasi yung watashi wa Mikey desu. Nice to meet you. And always bow your head. Hajimemashite. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. I am Mikey. Mikey desu. Yun muna. Sana may naintindihan kayo kung naguluhan kayo. Sorry naman. Sana may natutulang kayo sa ating every Friday na Basic Nihongo tutorial. Thank you po sa palaging nagko-comment sa aking Nihongo lesson. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Nandiyan lang po sa baba. Dito yata. And like and comment. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Mata ne. Sayonara. Thank you.